Na 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 na.
Welcome to the iPodcast. I'm Rita Bilemohol. I'm your host. I'm so excited. It's been a while ever since the Guang. Tatsina na renale ntate am tsale mo nyena ho le dilemo. Ha ke tsena ke ntse ntate ka baut.
Anyhow.
Mo hoplela a santsana a le ngwana mo nyena ka pa he was 13 or something.
Yeah, I was 13.
Yeah, he was 13.
Yeah.
Ha ba palla the Forgotten Kingdom. Ile ngwana mo nyena re makalletse ngwana Hlan TV. So today re na le ena re tla re bua le ena ka tsela ya high in the entertainment industry. Ntate Ntsane, welcome.
Thank you very much for having me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All the people, thank you. Danko.
Okay, Ntate.
Yeah.
How Ntsane ke mang hantle? Where are you
Ntsane.
from? And who are you?
Yeah, I'm from around here. So many people think that I'm from South Africa or somewhere. I don't know. I get even know
Our product.
Yeah, because like I live here, I've been here. So basically, where I come from Khubetswana.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm from Khubetswana, and then yeah, that is where I was born. Oh, actually, I was born in Mafeteng, and then lived Mono for quite some time.
Okay.
You know, up until I was 8 years. So I had to move, because my parents Banebadula Mono, so I had to move over. Yeah, get there, just to live with them. So this is why I am there now.
Okay.
You know?
So how did you like join the entertainment industry?
Oh, I so many people would think, oh, I chose it. I didn't choose it.
It chose you.
Yeah, it chose me. It keeps on coming back. I hate it. I don't hate the industry. I hate the fame. You know, I hate being famous. I hate being known because, like, I'm reserved and I have a very fragile mind and heart. And,
Okay.
yeah. So, it got back in 2011. I can make last stand 7. And then we went to the audition for the Forgotten Kingdom.
Forgotten
You
Kingdom.
remember that? So what the director did, go rola movela to primary schools. They multiple. I think the batho ba bang be like audition and bona back then they were doing now. So yeah, wa audition and then I auditioned. Funny thing is, I was even the last person who auditioned. I don't know why.
The best for the last.
Yeah, you know.
The last for the best, you know.
So
Okay.
right after the audition, you know, he was like, "Okay, we are done. Okay, cool. Everyone kuka mono. Okay,
But
cool.
you never
I'm
thought
gonna give
you
you
are
this
the
thing."
one who thought of this.
Yeah, and I never thought about it. Marang, sometimes things happen at the back, like at the back of your mind. Because I should be little about TV now. I'll be like, I want to do that. Or just Marang, nobody knew about it. I kept it to myself, like I kept everything to myself, you know. So I wanted to be that. So I auditioned, well, a couple of us, and then after that, I auditioned Babang, we were about 600.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's
So
on
you
Google.
were
You
picked
can see it.
Out of 600 auditioners.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Like I said before
But
we
we've
started.
seen your talent. We've seen your talent.
Yeah,
You were playing down with the most innocent guy I've ever seen.
you know, Asile, yeah.
Yes,
So it's been crazy,
That was
man.
crazy.
Yeah, it was crazy.
But,
Yeah.
but we have seen you, you know, growing up, and then after some time, maybe around 2016, I was wondering where you were.
Yeah.
That's when I started looking for you.
Yeah.
And then we had a story together.
Yeah.
Where the headline was "The Forgotten Son of the Forgotten Kingdom."
Yeah, and then you did that headline. I was like, why am I forgotten? Why the?
It's because everything just went off, like
Yeah.
literally. But you had awards.
Yeah,
Tell us
I
about
had
an award,
awards.
an international award.
Yo, I was two, yo.
Okay.
One, yo.
Tell me about your awards, the one through the Forgotten Kingdom.
Yeah, so what happened was again we shot the film, and then after that it be all out there, and then festivals everywhere. Obviously did the awarding, so yeah, we nominate you. So we were nominated for Africa Movie Academy Awards.
Yeah, Best Child Award.
Yeah, Best Child Actor Award in 2014. Oh no, I was like, what the?
Oh
I
my
didn't
God.
expect that. No, I never expected it. I never expected this. So I was like, I never expected this. Obani, I didn't think that movie would get so
Especially
far.
when you're from Lesotho, you see
Yeah.
being nominated in an international awards, it's always like, what?
Yeah.
I'm just from a small country, which
Yo,
is
I
not
want-
considered,
Yeah, and
full of talent or whatsoever.
yeah, so happy you get to think, oh, okay, cool. I don't think nobody in Lesotho has won this award,
Exactly.
and then nobody in Lesotho. Maring, that was what I was thinking. I think there are so many people who have won awards, but on Lesotho, and then
And we never got to know about that.
yeah, that's
Because there are
that's
people in
the
acting,
Yeah.
Babangata from Lesotho, who are making it big out there.
yeah. Look at Ntate Silas. Look at
Silas.
Nkopane Mohola. Amazing people.
Amazing people.
Kore, yeah, they're making it. So I won that award, and then Gawina happily, yeah, John Paul II from yeah, best performance. You know, it's a Miami. Imagine it in Miami.
Miami.
Yeah.
Levels.
So right now, okay, I got sitting room here. So I want the one
award.
unit is about to hold the gun. It's a move. And then let's teach you the lady. Yeah.
Black people and their wall units.
Yeah. So it's there. I can feel all the time. I'm like, oh, I'm glad.
It's
Thank
beautiful.
you so
That's
much,
beautiful.
God.
That's beautiful.
You know?
Okay. Fast forward, and then after your Forgotten Kingdom, you took some break. You're focusing on school or something.
Yeah, like I was focused more on school. But when I wanted to drop out the
You were
Forgotten
crazy
Kingdom.
because of money.
Yeah, because I thought okay, everything will be all glam and gold. Now no people know me, so you know we get like that. The message easier,
Exactly.
which wasn't the
You
point.
didn't know life. You were young.
Yeah,
You were
I
only
was
13,
really young.
14, 15, and then
So I'm grateful to all my mentors. There are so many. Kohanga
You can't even.
yeah.
You can't.
So they told me, oh no, man, you're not quitting now. Or go to school.
But the good part is, and then you enrolled with the National University of Lesotho,
Yeah.
where you did theater and drama, which is something which will add more value to your acting.
You know?
Tell us about your journey in your education.
Yeah, what happened was, so Kabakalawana, I love this thing. I said to myself, they asked me, oh, yo, what do you want to do? I was like, I know, I want to do this thing. Oh, I want to do this thing. Like, I going into it, studying, I knew, okay, somehow, well, the artist is had natural thing.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true. Marang, I'm doing it for the love. I know I'm gonna drive my smaller car, have a smaller house.
Smaller house.
One room, yeah. I'll be happy. I'll be
As
the
long as you're doing
happiest
something that makes you
person
happy.
alive. Yeah. So I went there, and then ka enroll BA BA drama and theater, and then English linguistics. You can all that can work here
Which is
as a
good.
journalist.
So you want to take my job now?
yeah, I can try.
Anytime. You're welcome to come
Yeah.
anytime.
So I went there and then studied. Amazing people, amazing lecturers, all the people. Kore, they were amazing. I learned so much from them. And
But I feel like you met a lot of challenges at a very, very young age.
Yeah,
Because fame, money, everybody wanted to be your friend, But you are alone, I guess. Because I've seen you around a lot and you're always alone.
yeah,
Tell me about the challenges.
I'm just like this. You know, thing is, you get to see who I'm crazy. Well, starting with the challenges. I don't want to be famous. No. I hate it. Marang, it comes with my work. So there's nothing I can do. Marang, I want to be there, and then I begin to drink and then nobody's watching.
Without anyone watching you.
Yeah,
what
what-
you're drinking, what you're
Yeah,
doing.
you know, yeah. Man, I don't drink.
Drinking water.
Yeah, drinking water. Yeah. So I just want to be there. The challenge is that nobody tells you how now o tlameha ho handle fame you are. Nobody tells you. It comes to you. It's your life. And then just like,
So tell me, most famous young people go through drugs,
Yeah.
alcohol, and everything. Tell me, just briefly tell me.
oh yeah, that one. No, I've never been introduced into drugs and those kind of things. But well, I think I went to Roma. And
Obviously, dear
yeah,
dear kept
so what happens in Roma stays in Rome.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know, Mareng, I cannot say I've never seen drugs. I've seen people do drugs. And
know,
that's
right?
the thing you know about you don't want to talk about. The drugs in the here and then we see them in the
Not
the
only
industry.
Matakwan. People think
Yeah.
drugs in Matakwan. We see people doing coke, doing
Yeah.
even
But-
better, you know.
So people don't want to talk about it. It is here, and it's here to stay. So I've seen people take drugs. Maring, good thing about my circle. Like you said, I'm loner.
You are a
Like
loner.
I have a really
Small
tight
circle.
circle and a small circle. So they know Mutuna is crazy. So we will never do drugs. Never drugs.
Okay, I remember you, after you graduated, I think, or during the process where you're going to graduate, you were involved in a film as a
Yeah, temple.
Tepo.
It's on Showmax. Please watch it. Please watch it.
Okay. No, before Tepo, I remember Molamu or Milamu.
Mulam, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's great. Please watch it.
Yes,
So
please.
that's
Take us a bit about you and Molamu.
So,
How did you get the part you were playing in Molamu?
yeah. So, funny thing. All the time. Now, never wanted to be known. Wow, what's even
I've
you
seen
already
you
know.
around.
this
I'm always
guy.
with you.
Yeah. So, no graduate fella. Next time it's like it's a graduation ceremony.
And
Like,
then,
so I always told my friends over, I won't be here. Why? I'll be somewhere shooting a film. So, okay. That thing. And then take 4 years back. I get my first
Your
year.
first year.
And then I give it for a call from Munyane Tikati. Thank you very much. So everyone let it. Hey Maji, I've seen your work. I've seen what you do. I love your work. I love you. I want to do a film with you.
Wow.
What?
Just
Yo.
like that.
Yeah, just like that. And then okay, I'm gonna write my exams. Corona hit. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
So Corona hit again. So everything was done online. I was like, cool. How long time? I'm gonna go there, shoot that film. When I
Write your
get
exams
I
online.
the exam, get the script and then taking one of the exam typing. I'm gonna do it. So
crazy.
I'm very,
You are
very
crazy.
So that's the thing.
But then you
Okay.
managed to pass.
Yeah, I passed. Thing is, the exams are going to squash on them. Yeah, God is placing everything.
No one knows the perfect time for everyone.
Yeah. So, Hakitama, shoot the film. Evan Chongolem was perfect. And by that time, actually, I told you, I said to myself, how am I thinking it look like it? Get like a graduate and then
And
wear
then
the hoodie
all of your
like
whole
everybody else. I'm very weird.
Parisian
You
regalia.
know. So after that, guys are tape. And then the graduation's out. Yo, and I get hopola na when make send screenshot sa you're graduating boy. Can I get driver to set?
Oh my God.
Yeah, there was like no driver in driver to set by then. And I said to myself, what did I say 4 years back? I was like,
Now it's happening.
I wasn't gonna show up. Now it's
Now it's
happening.
happening.
So be very vigilant with what you say in your mind.
No, what you say actually
That's
come to
it.
pass.
Yeah.
Actually, if you say life
Yeah,
to yourself,
yeah.
you will reap good fruits.
You
But
know-
then if you saying negative stuff about you, obviously you're gonna reap negatives. Whatever you plant, you know.
So
reap.
that's the thing with me, and yeah, that's what I've been saying.
But people will ask, are you making money with everything that you're doing?
I'm making money. Like I said, I'm gonna drive a smaller car. I'm gonna live in a smaller house. I'm making money.
But you'll be happy.
Yeah, it's coming. Yes,
But you'll be happy.
yeah,
But you're appearing on big screens.
yeah.
I mean, if you're appearing on big screens, we expect you to have, a wallet.
No, I'm not after money. Like I'm all about telling stories. I love it. When are you tell stories?
Every day.
Yeah.
I live for that.
Go, I love telling stories. So I just tell stories. My money is coming in. Hanyane. And yeah. Was I paid for the film? Of course I was. Marin, do you see the money? No, you won't see it because he's a key.
You're reserved.
Yeah, reserved. You'll
You're
never
reserved.
see me on Facebook. I don't talk about I'm crazy. I'm only crazy.
Exactly.
That
you know.
Got my
Because I will see you around and then you'll be sitting like,
Yeah.
as if nothing's happening.
Yeah.
Alone. I mean, a celebrity sitting alone. What?
I'm sitting around you guys, and then you're talking. On my phone.
You're always on your phone.
Yeah, I don't talk much. That's what you see. Okay, I said I'm gonna give you what you see. I was telling her, no, there's so many things that you got because I want you to see what I want you to see.
Exactly.
Yeah. So many people, my friends, know. Okay, this guy, Archie, because
they know the side of you.
Yeah, the side of me.
The rest of the world do not know.
That is what you see.
Okay. So let's talk about you and the film industry. Do you think the film industry it's growing in the country?
Tough question. They're making changes.
But it's not growing. It's just changes.
Is it hard? I think how can we put distillers I think they keep sick.
But you are in there. But you are in there. You should know. If you ask about journalism, I will tell you.
Is it growing?
I will tell you.
Is there money?
I will tell you.
You would tell me. So the thing is, it's slowly changing. People now buy out to YouTube, and then back up posted their work. If you see that Musula,
yeah, amazing stuff. Amazing stuff.
People are seeing. What are the million subscribers? No,
like thousands.
Yeah, thousands subscribers. So, but to buy reserve and
Yeah.
So, but reserve and it's changing. It's changing.
Okay.
Look at radio now. By changing. Because like I was reading status the way radio is changing is everything. Look at the way TV it changes now.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, let's just wrap it up. Is there anything that you can give us an advice, like advise someone out there who would want to be like you maybe in future?
Just do your thing, bro. Learn. Stereotypical. Just learn all the time. Go to school. This thing. That's the thing. Go to school. Train read, mate. Or what?
Go to school.
Because no.
You have to have something to fall back on.
Yeah, fall back on something. And about assistant.
Yeah.
But about states, what always about the motivation. Hey, if you want to go all in, then assistant.
It's not. So besides that, okay, let's talk about you and relationships. Hey, is there anyone special?
Yo, that's what I was coming. I knew it was coming. What are you? No. Sorry.
Ever since we had interviews, you have never said you have anybody special.
Yeah, or
what is
they come and go.
What's our piece job?
Yeah.
So now maybe next month or this month they're going to take another piece job. You know.
No, I've actually said to myself, okay, cool. I think I'm the problem. I think I'm the problem. So if I'm the problem, let me just step aside and then get to love myself.
You are the problem.
Yeah. Why? Why do I have to up everything? So Linda, I'm the one.
You are the problem.
Yeah,
So
so-
how come everything's not lasting?
Well, it's not lasting, and I to all the women out there, you're amazing people. I'm the problem.
No, I totally understand.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's fine. It's fine. But should we expect something from you anytime soon?
Anytime
Besides
soon.
this type of movie that is being shown on.
Right now, I'm not working on anything. I'm just we're starting a school, Cinema Academy. So it's
What kind
there.
of school?
That's,
Acting school? What?
no, it's high school.
At the high school?
Yeah.
You are involved in such a huge project.
Yeah. I get it. I said, a Guinness game. So I have a Guinness school and then I studied drama and English. So, I can do other things apart from acting. So we're starting a school. No, it has started. We have students. So others can come.
So
Cinema
where do
Academy.
we find your school?
Oh, Ipila or Bana Maseromo.
Maseromo?
Yeah, just opposite Maseromo that side. And then they can check out our website. It's out there. Facebook, Cinema Academy, and just see. So that's the thing I'm working on now. Other projects, I'm still auditioning and getting rejected a lot. Yeah, a lot.
It's not easy out there.
Yeah, it's not easy. Yo, I'm getting rejected a lot by production houses. It's not that I'm bad. I'm not fit for the role itself. That's the thing. So people, they think, okay, I'm on Showmax. My film is on Netflix. My film is on Mzansi Magic. Where it comes just like that. No.
Not only
auditioning.
It's not just to walk in a path. Okay. Where can we find you, like your social media platforms?
Oh, follow me. I'm back on social media.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
You are horrible with social media.
I'm
Very horrible because I remember back when you were in NAL,
Yeah.
you did not even check my message, and I was like,
What? Go.
because you're never there.
Yeah.
Until I had to hustle and get your digits.
Yeah, so it's easier how I'm never on social media. It's about social media. It will eat you whole.
Yeah, that's true.
So social media, lebohang yakalon Facebook. I'll tell you send a friend request.
It's even more.
Yeah, just follow.
Yeah,
and then send
I also do not
text.
accept.
Yeah. I'm only gonna accept you. I know you.
Yeah.
And then that's why we have so much to talk about. And then Mama, go. And then on Instagram, get reply.
That's better. You should reply me.
Yeah, I should.
Yeah, you should.
And then on TikTok at Lewahang Nzani without an E at the end.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's where I'm at.
Okay.
And then WhatsApp 59 no.
Oh no. It's okay. Thank you very much. It was amazing to have you here.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Wonderful people. I love you all. You
We
are
love you.
wonderful.
Public loves you.
I know. Can I work here, please?
No space for you. Thank
Where
you.
is the
Ladies and gentlemen.
Can I work here?
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We had Lebohang Nzane as an actor, and he is crazy. We thought he was a loner, but he is crazy.
Can I just say something?
Yeah.
Thank you to Almighty God. You've done so much for me, and if I do not say it out aloud, then means I get to keep everything to myself.
Exactly.
Thank you to Almighty God. He's
amazing.
done so many things for me.
Thank you so much. You should follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Public Eye Online, and then you go on Instagram, Public Eye, and then you go on Twitter, Public Eye Newspaper. Once again, Bekele Bek, Khetabile Moa. Thank you. Fast forward.